to get more students into your Udemy course without spending money on ads? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create Udemy coupons that can help increase enrollments, promote your courses, and boost sales. We'll go step by step inside the Udemy Instructor dashboard, and by the end of this video, you will know how to create, customize, and share coupons like a professional instructor. So let's get started. Welcome to Merit Mentor Pro Learning Hub, where I create courses and videos to help learners build practical skills and achieve their goals. If you are an Udemy instructor looking to grow your audience and increase course enrollments, this tutorial is for you. Let's jump directly into the process. Before we create a coupon, let's quickly understand why coupons are important. Coupons allow you to offer special discounts to specific audiences. You can then use them in YouTube videos, email newsletters, social media posts, communities, or promotional campaigns. Instead of waiting for organic enrollments, coupons give you a way to actively market your courses and attract new students. Now let's create a coupon. Inside your instructor dashboard, select the course that you want to promote. Suppose I want to promote this course. I'll go to Edit or Manage Course. And now you can see you'll find promotions. This is the left menu. On the left menu, you can navigate to Course Management and Promotions. Here you will find options for referring students via your referral code. You can copy it and share it with your friends and community. So this is where you will manage your course coupons and promotional campaigns. Next, we will click on Create Coupons. I've already created a coupon before. So the monthly coupon option is 3 coupons available. So one is used. I have 2 coupons left for promoting my course, and this limit resets monthly. So Udemy allows you to choose the type of coupons. So let's click on Create Coupon. See, Udemy allows you to choose the type of coupon and to set discount pricing according to the available options. It shows current best price. That is one option. There is a custom price option which expires in 31 days. There is a free open option with 10 redemptions and it expires in 5 days. And then there is a free targeted coupon with 100 redemptions and it expires in 31 days. So I have already generated this coupon. I have 3 other options left. Suppose I choose current, whichever coupon is appropriate for you, the discount amount, you have to choose that. So after choosing your coupon, give your coupon a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. This is the coupon code. You can enter a coupon code which should be between 6 and 20 characters, and it can have alphanumeric characters, periods, dashes, or underscores. So whichever name is suitable for you, say Udemy FP coupon. You can set the start date from when you want it. and the price is already there. It expires in 5 days, and then you will review your coupon, and once you are satisfied, you review the details before publishing, and then you click on create coupon. After that, your coupon will be active and ready to share. Creating a coupon is only the first step. To get results, you need to distribute it effectively. So you can share coupon links through YouTube descriptions, on social media platforms, in email newsletters, student communities, blogs, and professional networks. Remember, the more targeted your audience, the better your conversion rates are likely to be. Now let's have a look at the most common mistakes. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid. First, don't create too many coupons with confusing names. Second, avoid promoting coupons without a clear audience. Third, track which promotional channels generate the most enrollments. And finally, regularly review your campaign performance so that you can improve future promotions. And that's how you generate Udemy course coupons. So you now know how to create coupons, how to manage promotions, and share them effectively to attract more students. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Udemy instructor tips, course creation strategies, and online teaching tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.